Use Clove for just 3 days and you will experience total turnaround in your life. You will restore all that you have lost. You will recover all that you have lost. And you are going to experience total turnaround. This is mainly for those people that need restoration. You are having something great coming up. You are really doing well. All of a sudden, things are no longer moving well for you. And this is mainly for those people that are looking for help in one way or the other. You have to continue watching this video to the end. Give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedy, spiritual messages. Messages that will draw you closer to God. Messages that will help you to defeat your enemy. Messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plant, natural materials that God has created and enhancing their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If this is your first time of joining us, you are highly welcome. I welcome you with all my heart. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video and turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, those of you who has brought me this far, I pray for you that it shall be well with you. Thank you for always patronizing me in money and in kind and supporting me and returning on here to watch my video. Without wasting each and every one of your time, have you been looking for a way to restore that which you have lost? Are you doing well before and all of a sudden things has turned around? Backwardness, stagnation, delay, blockages, hatred all over the places, and you have been praying and prayers has not been answered. You have been doing some spiritual cleansing and it's not working out. I have come with another power part information that will help you to restore all which you have lost using only clove. Clove is a spice and also a powerful root that God has created that has the power for prosperity. He has the power of cleansing. He has the power of open doors. He has the power of driving negative energy, evil forces out of your life, out of your family, out of your environment, if you know how to use it. But today, I have come in order to teach you how you can restore all that you have lost. Yes, that's your glory that has been stolen. You are doing well before. All of a sudden, things turn upside down. What about you that you have been looking for a solution to come out of problem, to come out of poverty? You have been looking for a recipe that will help you for things to be open, for people to favor you. Look no further. All you need to get for me is your clove stick. Clove stick. Yes, you can also blend this into a powdered form. What the stick will do is what the powder will do. But on this recipe, we are using the stick. And we are going to use 24 pieces of clove in order to restore that which we have lost. In order to recover that which the enemies have stolen from us. Yes. But before I go on to tell you how you are going to do this, because today's recipe is very simple but very powerful, because I'm not going to take much of your time on here. I would like to introduce myself once more for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time. I still remain Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the road opening soap. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the hand milliner soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the stop evil soap. We have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. We have protection bracelets, attraction bracelets. We have original honey, original pancane oil. We have protected and charged alligator pepper. Also, we have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Is there anything crawling inside your body? Have you been suffering from moving object? Have you eaten something in the dream? Is it a sex that you have in the dream that something is crawling inside your body? You are dying slowly. You have been to the doctors and they said you have no virus, you have no infection, you have no HIV, but something is crawling all over your body, sucking your blood, making you to suffer, making you to think that death is about coming. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox. I can beat up my chest and tell you that this product is tested and trusted, and we ship all part of the whole world: Europe, America, Asia, South America, Canada, Australia, with DHL, EMS, FedEx, and UPS. If you place an order within the interval of 5 to 6 days, you will receive your shipment at your doorstep. Thank you and God bless you. Please keep liking this video, keep sharing this video, and subscribe to my channel. Using 24 pieces of clove to restore and to recover all which you have lost. On this recipe, what you are going to do is to get me clove. Yes, just 24 pieces of it. Then look for a calm place. You can do this early in the morning or do it at night before going to bed. Look for a plate that is not a breakable plate or a plastic plate. Put the 21 pieces of clove stick inside the plate, the iron plate. Then take it to a very calm place and communicate with the universe. Communicate with God in heaven. Communicate with your father's deities and your ancestors. Communicate with your guardian angel. Then ask God in heaven for forgiveness. Pray and tell God for him to have mercy upon you. If you know you have wronged anybody in the past, or there is something that you have done that your mind is judging you in any way, say it out and ask God for forgiveness. Then have faith that by lighting this and by doing this that Brother Chima is teaching you on here, you are going to restore your glory. This assignment, you have to do it for complete 3 days using 21 stick of clove stick. Yes. Then after asking God for forgiveness, read Psalm 51 if you are a Bible student, if you are a Christian. But if you are not a Christian, then make your prayers and ask your guardian angel for forgiveness. After that, light the cloves. As the flame is going up, as the smoke is coming out from the power of the clove is coming out through the smoke, through the air, as you have lighted it, begin to pray and begin to restore. Restore your destiny, restore your business, restore your family, restore your finances, restore your glory. Anywhere they have taken your glory to, anywhere they have tied your finances, let there be restoration. As I have light this clove, I call the Spirit of God, I call the Spirit of my guardian angel, I call the universe and my father's deities and ancestors for restoration. Let there be restoration within the 3 days of this assignment. Anywhere my glory has been stolen, any man sitting upon my glory, I command you to be unseated. Let the heaven unseat you. Let my father's deities and ancestors unseat you. Let my guardian angel unseat you. I begin to restore my finances. I begin to restore my glory. You begin to pray. After praying, and the universe are hearing your utterances, make your enchantment and your prayers, that which you don't want, and begin to proclaim that which you want. Begin to welcome prosperity. Begin to welcome new living in your life. Then when the clove finish burning, bring the ashes and put it in your right hand side and begin to pray. After that, go to your doorstep and blow it on the air. And I give you 7 days. Your destiny will be restored. All that which you have lost will be restored. Those that have forgotten you will remember you. Those your people that you have helped, they will remember you. People will favor you. People will call you to associate with you. Just try this for 3 days. 24 pieces of clove sticks. Burn it with faith. Read Psalm 51 inside of it and come back here with your testimony. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. Go and try this out, and you will have a lot of turnaround. Turn around in your life, turn around in your business, in everything you do. There must be turnaround. And don't hesitate to call me if you need me to do anything for you spiritually. God bless you. See you in my next video.